In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Forza Horizon 4 not launching error on your PC. The first method is to check your Windows security settings. Open the Settings app, then go to Privacy and Security and select Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down and select Manage Settings. Make sure features such as real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protection are enabled. Once you've confirmed these settings, try launching Forza Horizon again. If the game still doesn't launch, you can try the second method. Open the Windows search bar, type Bluetooth, and open the Bluetooth and Devices settings. Turn Bluetooth off, then launch the game again. This workaround has resolved the issue for some users, especially if a Bluetooth device was causing a conflict. And that's how you can fix the Forza Horizon 4 not launching error on your PC.